no, that's impossible. Is that?
Vex is like a collector's item.
Just like your
What
mom's.
gun I really,
Just
what
like
gun
your
I
mom.
really want now. I want the new.
No
raid
way,
shotgun.
dude.
I want the new raid shotgun.
Oh, you're not getting that shit before me.
Hunter, you can't even do the raid.
I'll still get it before you. Oopsie.
It's a
Hunter!
double barrel shotgun, and it's a stasis solar shotgun.
I saw.
Stasis. Take it, Hunter. Take it. You know
I
shit.
saw it, bro. It's a double barrel.
You've never seen. You've
Hunter!
never played Destiny a day of your life.
Dude.
You've never played Destiny a day of your life.
Brett, what are you throwing right now, Brett?
You just got me knocked off the map, bro.
Correction. I'm finishing the boss right now.
Fuck you, man.
Oh, fuck.
Why'd you go down 3 times in a row?
I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Wasn't me. I'm not that guy, pal. I'm not that guy.
To keep going.
This shotgun's worth buying, though. Oh, these gloves are good.
2000 legendary.
Oh, you're... No fucking way. I was just about to buy it, dude. I just got Trinity Ghoul and I was about to buy it.
Why didn't you buy it first then?
Because I'm fucking stupid and I didn't think that I'd actually get it.
Go check what lightning level.
Oh my god.
Check what lightning
It's gonna be like 1608 or some shit. 1609. That's so fucking stupid, bro. Already up to a wonderful start.
Hunter, you should have bought the bow in the first place.
They're just so fine, like, whoa.
That's the last one. Let's head down.
What the fuck, dude? Dude! What the fuck? Right. Holy schmoly.
I'm farming their AFK guy, some weirdo.
Oh, sheesh.
Okay, Hunter.
And one guy left. How are they respawning? Oh shit.
Because they had lives left.
Oh, I thought I thought it was like lives were just revives they had. Throw a flash grenade at him? Oh, I missed.
Knock down Johnny boy. And they departed from the match.
Easy stuff.
Well, there's still one more guy, Johnny boy. Is AFK. Behind you guys.
Ready for him? Ready for him?
Another one. Oh, you want to talk it?
Kinda going in right now, holy shit.
Pop that kid too.
One more. Oh no, that's it.
I think it was just kind of loading.
Oh,
Wait, you just stole both my fucking kills, but it's fine because I got the one shot.
Oh, I'm clipping that. That's too funny. Go on, go on! Ah!
Fuck, there's one off to my left, bro. I didn't even get to get the already off the grenade, bro. That would have been GG. Oh, I did get the grenade off. Oh, then that guy that was shooting at you was one shot.
Someone's better than them. No, that's what I get! Dude, we're insane, Cody. We're fucking insane, dude. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. It's a LMG?
Is actually better for us than a rocket launcher.
He's just gonna play distance. He's just gonna play distance. Careful, careful, careful. I wouldn't open that door. Oh no.
Just trying
Play on the
to-
other side, flanking.
Oh, that's the Le Monarch kid. Oh, Le Monarch is the one with that fucking...
Take middle, I'm taking middle.
Push middle, yeah.
I'll hold this door, you hold the other one. I'm not plugging on the nade.
We just hold the same door together. Oh shit, you're gonna be good here. I'm gonna give you a healing room. Oh wait, we just hold this door together. Hunter, we need to close that door. They're just gonna sit there. Okay.
Got one clears all you. Man, you're sane.
Fucking go Hunter!
Let's go, dude.
Better.
Fucking good shit, dude.
Dude, why is iKill's SMG?
Got one. Oh, shit. Fucking bitch.
Dude,
Come on,
stop
Hunter.
using bow if you can't hit your fucking. Oh my god, I just got baited so hard. Oh, Hunter, he's using Laura Lance. Don't peek him. Fucking damn it, he's using Laura Lance. If you peek him, only to the sunspot, you're
Got one, Cody. Got one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they might get heavy. Another one. No, not if you're here. You're insane.
Die, though. 40 speed, literally.
No, I'm dead. Fuck. Alright guys, it's GrinchKD. I hope you guys enjoyed the Destiny 2 content. If you want some more, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll just upload it at random like I normally do. But if you guys actually enjoyed the video, let me know that you want some more content, and I'll definitely make an effort to upload more of it. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.